Alright guys, I got another little video for you about another taillight job. So in today's video, we'll be doing the Audi mod for the BK2 taillights. I'll be showing you guys how to do it on both driver and the passenger side taillights, because both sides, they are a little different on the process on how to do it. So, okay, so for what you'll be needing for the job would be Dremel, something to re-plastic weld plastic back, some snips to clip the wire, and a little razor blade in order to get the little pieces of plastic out. And then for this is just extra. You don't really need this, but just in case if there was any plastic in the inside that I need to get out, I usually just blow it out with air or just a can of this, and then to clean up the lenses when I'm done. So starting with the driver's side, you're just gonna cut open this little back tab right here, staying away from all the wiring, of course, from the connector that you have here, but you're gonna cut out this little square. All right, so that's about how big of a hole you wanna make for it. And then you wanna get some tweezers and see that blue wire down in there? Kind of pull that wire up a little bit and then take your snips and cut. All right, as you can see now, wire is clipped. And then you just want to tuck the other wire away so that they don't have contact again. And then now you seal this one right back up. Okay, and now for the passenger side taillight, all you got to do is you'll be cutting up to about right here, right along this edge line, down here, and kind of come across to this little corner mark. So boom, boom, boom. This little nice chunk so that you can get to the other wire. All right, so that's the cut for there. All right, so now you're gonna go in here. Not this blue wire, this blue wire. You're gonna go in there. I'm using a little pick. I'm gonna get the little extra bit of wire out. And then you take your snips and you cut. Same thing, and then boom, that's it. Audi mod done on both passenger and driver side taillight. Just make sure that you are on only that one blue wire. You don't want to cut anything else, and then your lights don't work. So that's it. All right, for the final steps, you go and take your plastic that you had cut before, and you're gonna re-plastic weld it all back to where it was, like so. And then after you plastic weld it, you're gonna silicone it so that it has a nice perfect water seal again. That is the passenger side re-plastic welded back together. Now just add some silicone all the way around the edges, make that waterproof seal again. This is the lights all sealed up right there. And then boom, sealed in here, watertight. Nothing's getting in there now. And then I'll have some after clips later when they get installed on the customer's car.